Are you an African who came to the United States and you filed for your asylum and you're still waiting for your case to be approved, or your case is still pending and you're uncertain of how your case is gonna go? This video is for you, because I'm here to tell you, you don't need to wait for your asylum to even have a path to getting a green card. There's a way that you can turn your asylum into a green card. With all these wait times or long wait times depending on your country, or with all those cases that are trying to process right now, asylum cases, they are on pause, and that has affected a lot of people, and a lot of people are living in fear of what's gonna be next. As you already know, many healthcare professionals in the United States struggle with getting an employer who's going to file a green card for them. And a lot of them are here on temporary status, especially they're in the United States on temporary status, which means they have a pending asylum case or they are on DACA. That is the only path to citizenship that they have. And that's why I'm introducing to a second path to your citizenship. So as you wait for your asylum case that is pending or your DACA case, you can join Flint. And what Flint does, it connects healthcare professionals with employers who are willing to file employment-based Category 3 visas and your green card. How much do you have to pay? The cost to join the program is $0. You do not have to pay anything. And who pays for everything? The hospital that's gonna hire you will pay the legal fees for your immigration, your relocation, and everything, so that you do not have to pay. This makes it accessible to everybody within the United States. So if you're in this category where you have your asylum, you have work authorization, you can reach out, complete a form, and we'll see like if you're a match. If you're a match, we will find you a hospital that will hire you. You'll do an interview, and if you qualify or you're a good candidate, they will hire you. Once they hire you, they will pay for your relocation. So if you live in a different state, don't worry about that, because sometimes it's so hard to get like hospitals close to where you live that sponsor EB3 visas. So if there's no hospital around your area, then you'll be forced to move to a different state, a different location, and work with this employer who's gonna file for EB3 for you. TPS is, we don't work with temporary protective status. TPS are very unpredictable because sometimes the president can just wake up and say, you know, we're canceling TPS from a certain country. And if you're working with this hospital and they've put a lot of work to file your paperwork, and then now your status is terminated and you're forced to exit the country, we're left in a situation where it's so hard to navigate. So if you have like, you know, asylum and you have work authorization and you know you're going to be here for a while, you can go this route, and this opens up so that you don't have to wait just for one path to your green card. An alternative path, which is going to be getting your EB3 and then getting your green card eventually, and that gives you a degree of comfort or a degree of security where you feel like I'm not just depending on one thing. I have an alternative thing that can help me get papers in the United States. So it's important to know that this program works only if you're in the United States. Important, complete the form, and then once we receive this form, we'll review it and see if you're a good candidate. That's when we'll reach out to you. We set the ball rolling. If you have any questions, you can type in the comment section below, and you'll get a response either from myself or from the people in charge of the program, and then they'll be able to answer your questions. Share this video, because you might have somebody out there, especially Africans. I just realized like a lot of Africans, they don't have a lot of information out there. They don't have a lot of options. Sometimes you have opportunities, but because you don't get the word out there, a lot of people don't know that they can qualify for different programs. So do not just wait for asylum. You can get a second path to your green card. So that way you have two instead of one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.